Hi, I'm Lauren, and this is my friend Sierra. We are here to show you the basics of heredity and genetics using eye color as an example.
Gregor Mendel was curious about the physical characteristics or traits of pea plants. The passing of traits from parents to their offspring is called heredity. Mendel's work came to the foundation of genetics, the scientific study of heredity.
Today, scientists call the factors that control traits genes. The different forms of genes are called alleles. There are two known alleles, and they are known as dominant and recessive. A dominant allele is one whose trait always shows up in an organism. The recessive is usually masked or hidden when the dominant allele is there.
Mendel was the first scientist to recognize that probability can be used to predict the result of genetic crosses. A chart that shows all possible combinations that can result from a genetic cross is a Punnett square. It's also used to determine the probability of a particular outcome.
Two terms that are used to describe organisms are genotype and phenotype. An organism's genotype is its genetic makeup or allele combinations. An organism's phenotype is its physical appearance or its visible traits.
An organism that has two identical alleles for a trait is homozygous. When an organism has two different alleles for a trait, it is a heterozygous.
Well, we have two sock puppets named Bob and Sherry. They have decided to raise a family and wanted to predict what their offspring's eye color would be. Since we know Bob and Sherry are both heterozygous, meaning both have one brown and one blue allele. Knowing this, we can put the data in a Punnett square to find our answer. Here is the results of Bob and Sherry's children. Using the Punnett square, you can see Bob's one brown eye and one blue eye allele. And you can see Sherry's one brown eye and one blue eye allele. And they would have 3 brown-eyed babies and then 1 blue baby.
Our results from the Punnett square were correct, as shown in this family portrait. Bob and Sherry, both heterozygous, had 4 offspring. 2 of the offspring, Jackie and Alexis, are both brown-eyed, heterozygous, and Luke is homozygous blue-eyed. His sister Carly is homozygous brown-eyed.